up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Guess who is back? Woo! Nasa atin na uli si Bieber. So kinuha na ni Pogi kanina yung kanyang Harley kasi nag-ride kami. I'm actually working on the video right now. In-upload ko na lahat nung videos na na-collect natin kanina sa ride namin para ma-edit ko na. So hopefully ito na yung susunod na video. Short ride lang. Pupunta tayo sa Homeowners Association just down the street. Nakalimutan ko, pumunta pala siya sa bahay kanina kasi meron kaming appointment o meron kami dapat meeting ng, I don't know, she was supposed to be at the house mga maaga kasi may pipirmahan ako dapat. Totaling nakalimutan ko na pupunta siya. Nakaalis na kami ni Pogi. Kaya ngayon tinext ko na lang siya. Sabi ko ako na lang pupunta sa office niya para mapirmahan ko yung tax paperwork ng Homeowners Association. Member kasi tayo guys Kaya part tayo ng board member sa Homeowners Association natin. So yeah, ride lang tayo sandali. Tapusin natin itong errands na to para tapos na tayo for today. Tsaka gusto ko rin naman i-ride si Bieber na uli. May gas ba tayo? Okay, meron pa tayong half a tank. No, stoplight. Masusunog tayo sa stoplight. Dito na ba siya? Let's see. Alright, nandito na tayo guys. Hindi pa mabasa. Thoroughbred Management. Okay, kausapin muna natin siya and then we'll continue this. Alright, we are done. Literally took less than 2 minutes. So yeah, look, Mr. Bieber is back. Namiss ko rin siya. Wala namang ginawa si Pogi, kinarwash lang niya. Siguro gusto lang niya talagang gamitin ko yung Harley. At least talagyan ko rin naman ng mga, I think closer to 300 to 400 miles ang nailagay natin doon sa motor na yun. Okay, so balik na tayo sa bahay. Tapos na ang ating errand for today. I think we're fully done. Now kailangan na lang natin maghanap ng pagkain or maghahanap na lang ako ng food sa bahay actually. Beaver 61 miles per hour na pala tayo. 65, 66, 67. Gesture. Tinaas ko lang yung kamay ko, nag-stop recording yung X4. Wala na, hindi na siya magiging synced. Ano ba yan? Nasama ng kali. Fuck. Oh my god, what was that? Labo. I-resync natin ulit. Okay, we're sync again. I need to turn off the hand gesture thing kasi pagka tinaas ko yung kamay ko, siya, re-react yung camera. Technology, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. Sarap gamitin ni Beaver. Pero parang nakakairita na yung masyadong maingay. Baka ibalik natin yung stock exhaust na ito. Ganda ng grass niya. Lawn. Nagpasa sila ng ordinance dito sa Las Vegas na bawal na magkaroon ng lawn kasi ayaw nilang gumagana yung sprinklers mo. Kasi nga nagtitipid ng tubig dahil it's the desert out here, you know. Pero yun, kagaya na naka-lawn siya. So ang advice nila is gawin desert landscape para mga bato. Pero I don't know kung apektado yung neighborhood namin kasi lumang neighborhood to kaya siguro okay lang. That concludes our short, very very short. Ito talaga sa tingin ko short talaga tong video na to. Short ride natin para matapos lang yung errand sa ating homeowners association. Nandito na tayo ulit sa bahay. Maybe it's time to eat lunch. But like I said, it's good to have the Beaver back at home. Pero hindi naman tayo hindi naman tayo nakakapag ride ng Vespa, ng scooter lately kasi nga I don't know, lately puro tayo big bike. Obviously sa ating mga videos online or sa YouTube puro tayo big bike. Pero now that Beaver is back and the weather's getting nicer, well, not today, siguro we're gonna start riding again soon. But anyway, thank you guys for coming with me today. We'll see you guys hopefully on the next Vespa ride. See you guys later. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.